How to register and install our Aweshine Repair Assistant platform? Today, I'll demonstrate the operation process here for your reference. Firstly, enter www.aweshine.com in the browser to access our official website. Click on the download on it and you will be redirected to our download interface. Find the AS platform, click download, and then wait for the software to finish. After downloading, save the package to the folder we prepared before. Then open the package of AS platform. Click Next to start the installation. At this time, the platform installation license agreement will pop up. We just need to click I accept and choose the installation address. Select the folder we prepared before as the installation address. Click Install. The black pop-up window that appears at this time indicates that the driver is being installed by default. After the driver installation is completed, click Finish and then Run. New users can click Register to set up account and password. Enter account and password to log in AS Assistant platform. Above is the installation guide on AS platform. For more details about AS products, please follow our YouTube, AS Aweshine.